welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Atom editor on Rocky Linux 8.6. Atom is an open source multi-platform text editor developed as a modern and approachable tool. Yet it is hackable to the core and lets us customize into our demands. First check the installed version of OS using cat command. This is Rocky Linux 8.6. Now install the wget and git package by using m command. The installation is completed. Now I am going to download Atom editor package by using wget command in /mnt directory. The package is downloaded. Now install the package locally by using following command. This command can be install the package in locally. Press Y and hit enter to continue. The installation is completed. Now I am going to open the application by using the command atom. This is the welcome page of Atom editor. Here we can create the projects. By this, the installation of Atom editor in Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.